Welcome to Cedars Christian College and Didge in a Day with Alex. We're having a great time here, as you can see, under the trees in the shade. We've been stripping back our timber bark and tuning them up, and here we have our boys having a great time. What do you think, guys?
I think it was actually really enjoyable. Like, made a few mistakes here and there, but in the end, it's a really good product. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, really, really great.
Yes, no,
No, it was really good. Learned some pretty cool skills, and now I've got this to take home with me.
Yeah, it was a great experience. I was excited to come back after lunch. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, it was good.